Converting decimals to fractions. Now the question number 1 is express 0.6 as a fraction. Now we know 0.6 is equals to 6 tenths, which means 6 by 10, and when we will simplify it, 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 5 is 10. 3 by 5 is the fraction. Now in the place value table you can see that ones and tenths, 0 is under ones column and 6 is under tens column. Question number 2, express 0.35 as a fraction. 0.35 is 35 hundredths, which means 35 over 100. When we will simplify it, we get 7 by 20. Now in the place value table, ones, tenths, hundredths. Under ones we write 0, under tenths we write 3 because 3 tenths means 3 by 10, and 5 under hundredths it means 5 by 100. So 0.35 is written as 0.35 under the place value table. Press 0.537 as a fraction. Now 0.537 is 537 thousandths. 537 divided by 1000. Now in the place value table we write ones, tenths, hundredths and thousands. Now how we will place it? 0 under ones, 5 under tenths, 3 under hundredths and 7 under thousands. Now the key point here is, or the shortcut is, that we write 0 after the point. Under the point we write 1 and we count the digit 1, 2, 3. So we write number of zeros. Now express 4.25 as a fraction. Now here 4.25 is 4 ones plus 25 hundredths. 4 ones 4 plus 25 hundredths mean 25 over 100. This we will simplify. 25 by 100 is 1 by 4. So this is written as mixed number 4 whole number 1 by 4. Now ones, tenths and hundredths. Under the ones column we write 4, under the tenths we write 2, under the hundredths we write 5. Hope you have understood the concept.